If you're trying to choose between NordVPN and Surfshark, you're looking at two of the biggest VPN providers available today. Both offer strong security fast servers and apps for almost every device. But which one is actually better in 2026? In this video, we'll compare NordVPN and Surfshark looking at speed security streaming performance, privacy pricing, and overall value. Let's get started first. Let's talk about NordVPN. NordVPN has built a reputation as one of the fastest and most secure VPN services on the market. It operates thousands of servers across dozens of countries, giving users reliable connections almost anywhere in the world. One of its biggest strengths is performance. Whether you're streaming, gaming, browsing, or downloading large files, NordVPN consistently delivers excellent speeds. It also includes advanced security features such as threat protection, double VPN, MeshNet, and a strict no-logs policy that's been independently audited. Now let's talk about Surfshark. Surfshark has become extremely popular because it offers premium features at a very competitive price. One of its biggest advantages is unlimited simultaneous device connections. With a single subscription, you can protect all of your phones, computers, tablets, smart TVs, and other devices without worrying about connection limits. Surfshark also includes Clean Web, which blocks ads, trackers, and malicious websites, along with strong encryption, a no-logs policy, and servers in many countries around the world. Now let's compare streaming. Both VPNs work very well with popular streaming platforms, including Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and many others. They also allow users to bypass geographic restrictions in supported regions, although streaming availability can change over time. When it comes to speed, NordVPN generally has a slight advantage, especially for gaming, 4K streaming, and large downloads. However, Surfshark still performs extremely well for most everyday users. Now let's compare pricing. Surfshark is usually the more affordable option, particularly on long-term subscription plans. NordVPN costs a little more, but many users feel its additional features, performance, and security tools justify the higher price. Now comes the biggest question. Which one should you choose? If your priority is maximum speed, advanced security, and premium features, NordVPN is probably the better choice. But if you want excellent value, unlimited devices, and strong overall performance, Surfshark is one of the best VPNs available. Now let's be honest, you really can't go wrong with either service. Both offer strong encryption, excellent privacy, reliable streaming support, and user-friendly apps. The final decision mostly comes down to your budget and whether you value extra performance or lower cost. So to summarize, NordVPN is ideal for users who want the fastest performance and advanced security tools, while Surfshark offers incredible value, unlimited device connections, and excellent features for a lower price. Because honestly, both VPNs rank among the very best available in 2026, and either one will provide a secure and reliable online experience.